Wow, this is lovely. Lovely. Hey gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. Gorgeous, you're welcome. So today is another hair review. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just.
So today's video is a wig review. Yes, this is their new arrival. It is bob wig. Okay, 10 inches, 150 density, pre-plucked hairline, C-part lace wig. Okay, let me bring the hair out for you guys to see. So inside the box there is a card inside. Okay, this is the wig. Wow, guys, this is lovely. So guys, this is the wig. It is long C part. You see it's 10 inches. You see the length? That's the length, and it's bob. Okay. Wow, this is lovely. Lovely. The lace came bleached. Look at it on my hand. You can see it on my hand. It came bleached. See this? And also it came with detachable adjustable strap, so you can adjust this. You can adjust this the way you want, okay, according to the size of your head. All right, and also there is inbuilt adjustable strap, and there are some combs. So that is it, and this is the wig. Wow. So guys, this is it on. You can see they did the parting already. You can see how long the part is, and this is C part. This is so perfect. So all you just need to do is to cut the lace, and I like the length for this summer. This is gorgeous. So I'm going to cut the lace from it. Excess lace. First of all, I'm going to take the hair backward like this. Then cut the lace. Just taking those flying hair backward so that I can so that I can cut the lace. Don't disturb me. Now let's do this. I'm just going to follow the hairline. So I'll use Got to Be Good. I don't know why I'm missing my words. Got to Be Glue spray. So I prefer gluing this down section by section. I don't think we need baby hair. Do we? No. I don't think so. So I'm just going to glue that all around, then I'll be right back. Okay, so guys, I've glued it down, you can see. So I'm just going to tie it down, wait for some minutes, then I'll be right back. So I'm going to lose the scarf from it. I'll spray got to be good. I'll take my powder and dab that. Alright, and I'll use it to open the party. So I'm going to put cream, put oil. I'm going to apply oil. So guys, that is it for this hair tutorial. I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box, so if you're interested, you can check that out. Okay, and I'll check if there's any discount code. I'm going to leave it on the description box as well, you guys know. So that is it. I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye. Ciao.